Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to turn off this sort control option in tableau, or we can say how to prevent the users from sorting in the view. So here I have sales by subcategory axis, and this is a profit by subcategory. So now if I click on this sorting option, this is sorted ascending by sum of sales within a subcategory. And if I click again, this is sorted in alphabetical order. If I click again, sorted descending by sum of sales within a subcategory. So to disable this option for user, go to worksheet and uncheck this show sort controls. So this sorting option is disabled in the view. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.